Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is SGM Creations, Tutorials, Travels, and Lifestyle. Here is my new project. This is a fashion accessories. This is a bangles. And this is the partner with the matching earrings. Look at this. This is the fashion earrings and bangles. This is made from the recycled plastic bottles of this Fonte Tabina natural mineral. I just cut out from this portion on this top. Okay, you cut out from this and shape it nicely and measure the size of your arm, and then fix together the both ends of the plastic with the use of adhesive glue, and you can decorate it with a crystal lace. This is a simple crystal lace, and just simply fix it both ends of the crystal lace and fix it into this plastic. And now you have an instant bangles, and also these earrings. Just cut out same as this one. Just cut out your desired plastic size and fix it here in the holes. You just fix a hole and fix it with the wire and the hook. First you have to fix a hook, twist it, and fix it with the beads and a ring, and lastly you fix it with a hook, and you have already an instant fashion earring. This is made from the plastic bottles of this mineral water. This is a product of Dinner Supermarket, but this is a product of Italy. Look at this product of this is a Italian product. Look, so this one is a very easy project. How to create a fashion accessories made by the plastic bottles of mineral water. You can use any plastic bottles as long as you can create like this. This is very simple. Just simply round and decorate it with crystal lace, and you can decorate any design as you wish. So this is one way of minimizing our garbage. Let us recycle our waste in order to minimize our garbage and to keep our environment clean and save the Mother Earth from pollution. Because if our environment is clean, everybody is healthy. Let us have a healthy living by keeping our environment clean and safe. So I hope you get an idea on how to recycle the plastic bottles and transform into a unique and beautiful fashion jewelry like this. You can see this is a very simple project, and my organizer or the holder of this bangles and earring is a wine glass decorated with artificial flowers and a heart-shaped ribbon. This is my project for the Valentine's, so I use it for the holder for my fashion accessories. So that's all for today. So please, if you like this project, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new videos. Just check the playlist at beadworks tutorials. Then you can find the videos on how I created this project step by step. Just click my playlist Beadworks tutorials. Okay, then you can follow the video tutorial step by step. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to SGM Creations and Tutorials. And please also watch my other videos for my travel vlogs. I am posting beautiful views from Germany, Switzerland, Austria, and other countries. So thank you everyone for your love and support for SGM Creations and Tutorials. I am sharing my skills and my ideas on how to recycle plastic waste and transform into a unique and beautiful project like this. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. So if you will learn how to create different accessories, then you can start making your own business. I'm sure this will click. Patok na patok to sa negosyo if gawin nyo to sa Pilipinas, because this is a very easy project and very costless. Mura lang ang puhunan nito. All you need is a plastic bottles, adhesive glue, and a crystal lace. You can also decorate this one, a ribbon, or any decoration that you want to design for these bangles and these fashion earrings. So that is all for today, and thank you for watching again. Bye bye, and see you again in my next video. Greetings from SGM Creations and Tutorials.